children, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we will be continuing with the examples of chapter 8. The name of the chapter is Comparing Quantities. So we have done till example number 6 in our last videos. So in this video we will be starting with example 7. Example 7 is on page number 123 of our NCERT book. Okay, so the example says Meenu bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. She sold one at a loss of 5% and the other at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each. Also find out the total profit or loss. So the question says Meenu bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. Now each means that the cost of one fan is 1200 and the cost of 2 fans in total is 2400. 1200 plus 1200. 1200 each is the cost of both the fans. She sold one at a loss of 5% and the other at a profit of 10%. तो अब उसने परचेज तो एक साथ करे बट उनको सेल अलग अलग किया. So एक फैन पे हमें लॉस हुआ 5% का and on the other fan we gained a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each. So CP is given, we have to find the SP. Now let's talk about first fan first. CP is 1200, okay, and we have a loss of 5%. So loss would be 1200 का 5%. So इससे हमारा क्या आएगा? Loss amount. Okay. So 5% of 1200. So 20 से 20 कट. So this would be 60. तो अब ये जो 60 रुपीज आया है ये हमारा लॉस है. It means for calculating the selling price, we know that हमें CP में से माइनस करना है लॉस. CP is 1200 minus 60. अब ये माइनस करके हमारा क्या आएगा? We'll be getting our SP, selling price. हमने कितने पे वो मीनू ने कितने पे वो फैन सेल किया, ठीक है? So it is 1. 200 minus 60 is 140, ठीक है? So it means 1140. So it means that फर्स्ट फैन की CP है 1200 एंड SP हो गई 1140. मीन 60 रुपीज का उसे हुआ लॉस. ओके, एंड नाउ लेट्स सी सेकेंड फैन. CP इज अगेन 1200. इस पे प्रॉफिट हुआ है मीनू को 10% का, right? So it means amount is 1200 का 10% we will calculate and then we will add it in the CP. 0 से 0 कट, 0 से 0 कट means 120. So SP would be CP plus profit. Profit cost price में add होता है and loss minus होता है. So 1200 plus 120. So it will give us 1320. So अब हमसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था find the selling price of each. So the selling price of first fan is 1140 and the selling price of second fan is 1320. Okay, now after this we have to find out the total profit or loss. Okay, so for total profit या फिर total loss we will calculate the total CP first. So total CP is 1200 plus 1200. So total CP is 2400. Now total selling price is 1140 plus 1320. यही कैलकुलेट किया था हमने. 1140 plus 1320. So we have 0 as it is. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. It means student total CP is 2400 and total SP is 2460. So again what we can see here, what we can notice here, that CP is smaller than SP. It means profit हुआ. Because CP is smaller than SP, it means he gained a profit. And profit अब कितने का? For that we know that we will subtract CP from SP. So 2460 minus 2400. So it means 60 rupees का हमारे पास आ गया profit. ठीक है. So we had to find the total profit or loss. तो yes, ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. हमें परसेंट नहीं निकालना, गेन परसेंट नहीं बोला हुआ, ओनली प्रॉफिट. सो प्रॉफिट अमाउंट में निकालना है. सो दैट इज ₹60. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डिड इन दिस क्वेश्चन, हमने we were given 2 fans of ₹1200 each. मीनू ने परचेज करे and then on one he had a loss of 5%. On the other one he gained a profit of 10%. So first fan में loss हुआ तो माइनस कर दिया हमने CP में से. So SP comes out to be 1140 and on second fan we gained a profit of 10%. So हमने वो add कर दिया CP में. Okay, so हमारे पास total CP है 2400, 1200 plus 1200 and total SP हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया तो उन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया, that is 2460. Now CP is smaller than SP, it means he gained a profit and profit of ₹60. Profit equals to SP minus CP. Okay, so this was our example number 7 of chapter 8. Now children, let's come to example number 8. Example number 8 is on page number 124. So the example says the cost of a pair of roller skates. The cost of a pair of roller skates is at a shop was ₹450. The cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was ₹450. The sales tax charge was 5%. Find the bill amount. Children, I told you in my introduction video also that all the taxes are added in our कॉस्ट प्राइस. जो भी हमारा कॉस्ट प्राइस होता है, जिस प्राइस पे हम परचेज करते हैं, सो अगर कुछ टैक्स उसमें है, सो वो टैक्स उसमें इंक्लूड होता है, ऐड होता है, सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होता. सपोज वी गो to McD and we purchase a burger. So the price of that burger is rupees 30, but we pay 35 or 37 rupees for that. So this 5-7 rupees extra that we are paying, this is the tax, and this tax is added in our CP. Okay, जब भी तो हम थोड़ा extra pay कर रहे हैं. So in this question also, the cost of the skates is rupees 450. बट उस पे जो है सेल्स टैक्स चार्ज हुआ है 5%. सो वी विल ऐड दिस सेल टैक्स इन आवर ओरिजिनल प्राइस. सो ओरिजिनल प्राइस इज रुपीज 450. सेल्स टैक्स इक्वल्स टू, सेल्स टैक्स हमें 5% लगाना है. सो 450 पे 5% टैक्स. सो 10 से 10 कट, 5 1 से 5, 5 2 से 10 एंड 2 2 से 4, 2 2 से 4 पॉइंट. सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 22.5 रुपीज. सो सेल्स टैक्स चार्ज हुआ कितना अमाउंट, 22.5 रुपीज. चिल्ड्रन ये मैंने कैसे कैलकुलेट किया, 45 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 था. सो 2 2 सा 4, अगेन 2 2 सा 4, 1 बचा, पॉइंट लगा के 0 लगा लिया, एंड 2 5 सा 10. सो वी गॉट 22.5. नाउ सेल्स टैक्स चार्ज वाज 5%. सो हमने अमाउंट कैलकुलेट कर लिया, दैट इज 22.5. नाउ फाइंड द बिल अमाउंट. सो द बिल अमाउंट इक्वल्स टू 450 plus 22.5, because we always add the tax or any GST or any tax in the original price. So ये हो गया हमारे पास 2.5 as it is, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4, so 472.5 rupees. 472.5 rupees. This is our bill amount, जो हमें पे करना है, और we can say the selling price. Okay, this was example number 8. Now let's come to example number 9. Now let's come to example number 9, children. Example number 9 is also on same page, page number 124. So the example number 9 is, Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300. So Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300, including a tax of 10%. Find the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. So Vahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3300 including a tax of 10%. So अब ये जो हमें amount given है, this amount is given including a tax of 10% and find the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. So basically children हमें यहाँ पे SP given है एयर कूलर का, ठीक है, मतलब बाद का अमाउंट गिवन है एंड हमें पहले का अमाउंट कैलकुलेट करना है. सो लेट दी प्राइस बी x, लेट दी प्राइस बिफोर वैट बी x. सो अगर पहले का प्राइस x था, सो अब x पे 10% और टैक्स लगेगा, ठीक है. सो x प्लस 10% ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 3300. अब मैंने ये क्या किया, सी हमने एक इक्वेशन कैसे बनाई, कैसे फॉर्म करी. सी वी वर गिवन द अमाउंट including the tax of 10%. Now in our last example हमें अमाउंट गिवन था, हमें उस पर टैक्स ऐड करना था, तो हमने उसका उतना परसेंट निकाल के उसको उसी अमाउंट में ऐड कर दिया. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर गिवन दी इंक्लूडिंग टैक्स अमाउंट, हमें बाद वाला अमाउंट गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दी सीपी. मतलब एक तरह से आप ये समझ लो हमें एसपी गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट सीपी. सो लेट दी सीपी बी एक्स. अब उसको जब हमने x मान लिया, तो अब x में 10% टैक्स ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, 3300 आएगा. सो x में हमने 10% टैक्स ऐड किया, 10% भी x का ही होगा. सो x प्लस 10% ऑफ x विल गिव अस 3300. ये हमने इक्वेशन फॉर्म करी सो एज टू गेट आर वैल्यू ऑफ x, और वही हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है. सो दिस वुड बी x प्लस 10/100 ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 3300. 10 से 10 कट, so this becomes x plus x upon 10 equals to 3300. Okay, so now we can write x upon 1. So this would be upon 10 and this would be into 10 into 10, ठीक है, and this would be into 1 into 1. So this is 10x plus x equals to 3300. Okay, so now we have 11x upon 10 equals to 3300. ठीक है. Now we know that 10 is in division. So when we will transpose it, it will become in multiplication. So 3300 into 10. Now 11 is in multiplication. So when we will transpose it, it will become in division. So 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. So the value of x comes out to be 3000. It means price before tax was added equals to 3000. Okay, so price before tax was added is 3000. जब उसमें tax add हुआ तो it become 3300. Okay, so you got it. अब इन दोनों examples में difference समझ में आया. In first example हमें in example number 8 we were given the original price and हमें उसमें tax include करना था. In this question we are given the included amount, included tax amount, and now we have to calculate the original price. So for that let the original price be x. So अब उस original price में 10% tax को include करेंगे, so we'll get 3300. So वही हमने calculate की, the value of x comes out to be 3000. So it means the original price of the air cooler was 3000. So this was our example number 9 of chapter 8. Now let's come to example number 10. Example number 10 of chapter number 8. is on page number 126. So example number 10 says a sum of rupees 10,000 is borrowed at a rate of interest (15% per annum) for 2 years. If the simple interest, find the simple interest on this sum and the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. So basically we have to find the simple interest also and the amount also. Okay, so simple interest का फॉर्मूला होता है P into R into T upon 100. Okay, but first let's write हमें given क्या क्या है. We are given the principal which is 10,000. Okay, now we are given the rate which is 15% per annum, and we are given the time which is 2 years. Find the simple interest on this sum. So simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. So we get principal is 10,000, rate is 15%, time is 2 years upon 100. Okay, so now 2 0 से 2 0 cut. So we got 2 zeros as it is and 15 twos are 30. So ये जो हमारे पास 3,000 आया, this is the simple interest. But we want amount also. So we have the formula amount equals to principal plus interest. Principal is 10,000, interest is 3,000. So amount comes out to be 13,000. It means the amount is 13,000 and the simple interest is 3,000. This was a very simple question. This was a question of simple interest. So we have the formula P into R into T divided by 100. So P was given, R was given, T time was given. So इससे हमारे पास in simple interest आ गया 3,000 and we know that amount equals to principal plus interest. So हमने principal में interest को add किया. So the amount comes out to be 13,000. So this was our example number 10 of chapter 8. Now children, example number 11 we will be starting in our next video. So stay tuned for my next video and practice each and every question, each and every example of this chapter now. Okay, so thank you.